battlefield going silent. Soldiers tense in the hush, then a single snap changes everything. That's the crossbow, born in ancient China, marching through medieval Europe, and still hanging around today. I love how simple the idea is. Store energy in a bow. Lock it with a trigger. Release on command. It turned raw strength into timing and technique, letting ordinary folks punch way above their weight. In an age of armor and elites, that was a big deal. Fast forward, the crossbow didn't retire. It pivoted. Hunting keeps it alive. Target competitions keep it alive. Engineers still riff on the same physics: levers, torsion, clean energy transfer, using modern materials to make compact, consistent power. Here's the cool part: quiet, stable, repeatable. That made it feared in sieges and beloved on ranges. You cock it, aim without racing the clock, and focus on the shot. A few fast facts: early records pop up around the 5th century BCE in China. Medieval versions could punch through serious armor at close range. Crossbow tech inspired launchers, line throwers for rescue, modern sporting rigs, from ancient walls to modern ranges. One idea stayed sharp: store, aim, release. The crossbow proves smart design can outlast empires and still hit its mark.